Hook him. There you go. He's got one. He's got a red. Do you have a net on the boat?
Bring it.
Looks like you got a good fish. Make sure the hook's set.
Well, I mean, I don't want to start jerking on it, do it.
He's swimming up current, it looks like. Try to bring him away from the trolling motor.
I don't even see where it is.
Turn your way.
Avoid the trolling motor. Oh, he's a good fish. Big redfish. Good job. We don't have a net. It's gonna be a fun day. Oh, there's your first fish. That's a big one too. Oh yeah, that's a good redfish.
That's a keeper?
Heck yeah, that's a good red. That's a nice mid-slot redfish.
Wow, you need a plier?
Are you keeping them?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a nice
we
fish.
gotta have something to eat, don't we, Paul?
Good red. Make sure the hook's set. He's swimming at you faster than you're reeling.
Hey, Paul, why didn't you tell me to bring the damn net?
Yeah, too many things to remember.
Yeah.
I just had to bring a couple poles.
He's swimming like a catfish.
I'm trying to get everything.
You better not have a catfish.
Pretty small one.
He's diving like a cat.
I got a glove here.
That's a stingray.
Oh.
He's got a baby stingray.
Oh, yeah.
Hook him hard. What?
Nope.
Wasn't it a fish though?
I think.
It's a redfish, or is that a trout? It's a little red?
A little red, isn't it?
Yeah, a little red. Little guy.
Yeah.
Got 4 spots on that side.
You got all kind of spots.
That's 9 spot red. Pretty cool. Yep, little red. That's a tiny guy.
Yeah, he's not big.
That's pretty cool. We'll watch them jump out of the water right when you hook them.
My dog,
I literally went the second it hit the water.
well, it came right off.
Yeah.
No, it didn't.
I just grabbed it again. He's swimming at you.
I guess he was still on there.
Oh, there he goes.
Good, we don't want him anyway.
No.
What the hell?
You said there's no fish back here?
Oh, that's not a cat.
That ain't no cat. You were saying, John? He's talking crap. I think it's a good red or
Oh, yeah.
drum.
I got something.
It's got something good. That better not be a catfish.
No, that's no catfish. Oh.
Well, don't lose him. He did come up and swirl. Oh, it's a nice red. Never mind. I thought it was a black drum.
I'm gonna get that pole out of there.
Yeah.
Why do we not have a net?
Yeah, go ahead.
He's got a good one.
That's
Put some heat on him. Don't lose him. I wish we had a net. Why is he not fighting now? Is he swimming at you?
coming to begin with.
Seems to be, yeah.
That better be a redfish, not a catfish. Why is he fighting like a cat now?
He's not real big.
It's a red.
Oh, you
You ain't cheating. There you go.
At least he's a keeper. Good job. It's coming your way, John.
Are you gonna get him or you
Yeah.
want me to get him?
There you go, Paul. That's not even big. You made him look big.
Below the swivel.
He swallowed it. He's tiny. He was like right next to the boat when he grabbed it. See, in about 2 weeks, you won't see any of these small ones. These small ones disappear when the big ones roll in.
Does dolphins feed on the redfish?
Yeah. The dolphins will eat redfish and snook. Little guy. Good thing. Look at the size of that trout. He had a bare jig head reeling it to the boat. I was just reeling in that pole.
Really?
That's a big trout. Oh my! Oh, it's a 40-inch snook. Oh, he just broke it. Did you see that fish?
Yeah, yeah. Like it's a dolphin.
Yeah, that was a. I got a spade fish in a mangrove. Was that your pinfish you wanted? That don't look like a pinfish. He almost took my pole in the water. Think a redfish will eat that?
Hard to get in his mouth, I would think.
What do you think, John? You think redfish eat that thing?
Shark would.
There we go. Who wants it?
Oh, I don't want it. No, I didn't catch it. You catch it, you pull it in. Got you.
That feels like a small red. Yeah, it's a red. He's not very big. They're all 16 now. That's good bait, so catch them. Oh, that's a big trout. Yeah, you got a trout. Oh, he's a keeper. Get him in. Oh, and you got a red. Nice double. Well, yeah, small. He swallowed it.
I hope he didn't swallow it.
Nope, it's right there.
He's not big enough, is he?
Nope.
He's not. He's got to be 18 though.
Yeah, he's a little too
Yours is
small.
okay though, isn't it?
That looks like a keeper trout.
15, isn't it?
Yep.
Doesn't he have to be over 15?
Yeah. I think he's 15.
You keep one over, right?
Yeah.
Better not be a quarter of an inch.
He's 15 and a half.
You go, John.
15 and a half's okay, but not. I came out here. Got a little one on here. I don't know.
Snapper. Your little bait stealer.
Little mangoes.
Finally caught him. There you go. Looks like a red.
Not pulling back too much, huh?
He's swimming at you. It's big. It's getting bigger. It looks like. Yeah, he's on there. That's a good fish.